Hi everyone, Overlord here again with the next update for Modix Game Panel. I did take a wee break away for a while, but I'm back and it's in active development. So once you have downloaded the next update, you put in your folders, you run the program. I'll show you that in another video, but anyway, this video is just to showcase the new update, what's coming. So this is the first page on screen you see once you have successfully started running Modix. It will open a browser, your default browser with localhost, whatever port is available. What I put unreleased, you can easily change it if you want. But this is the first page. So this means you have successfully ran Modix Game Panel and it's working on your Linux server. I can't close this because my IP is right behind this and I can't be bothered editing the video, so it would look like this once you close there, right? So now I'm on my dashboard. I've got a few buttons here. I think over time we'll clean this up. It'll be good to start with. We'll add a couple of boxes in here. My focus ain't been on this page, really just the buttons and connecting everything else. But anyway, I can click license. It tells you I've given everyone rights to use it as intended. You're not allowed to try and sell this software without my permission or anything like that. This is a free to use game server manager. Documentation, self-explanatory. So I can click here to set up my game server. Modix will be pre-installed with the Project Zomboid server files and the Steam CMD server files. You can delete them if you want, but it just makes things easier. But if you need to, you can install yourself. So over here I can install Steam CMD straight to my server just by clicking these. Very easy. If you don't want to do it the automatic way or I've broke it, you can come down here and manually update on any Linux server. So terminal, a bit broken here because I'm fixing things, but this is how it looks like so far. I can start server, then it'll all come down here. I'm trying to make these all here because this is a bit broke, but it does work. But file manager, so your file manager is locked to your Project Zomboid files, as you can see. I can go server, I need to fix the path, but yeah. Mod manager. So I've got big plans with the mod manager. I could go two different ways with it. So at the minute, when I click mod manager, it brings up random mods for Steam Workshop's API, right? So I can do a couple of things here if I want a mod. Currently this button doesn't work to add to server, but the idea is any mod what you're putting in here will come up with this wee green box if you've not got it in your server.ini, this file. So in here, the idea is when you click that, it goes into this file and then it'll type it in for you, the mod ID and the workshop ID. But anyway, if I just want to browse a mod, I can go for UK Police since I'm from Scotland. I bet kind of feels UK Police, but you get the adjust and then you get the address. I can search Steam right here. But the cool wee thing is, so I kinda like this. The mod manager will always download the latest version of that mod. I'm trying to get these to work properly. The ID successfully works, the offer name, but Steam API doesn't show this, or I can't get working yet for some reason. So I can click here, takes me to the Steam workshop. I can click download, so this download button, these two do work at the minute. But the idea is you click that, you can choose a path on your Linux server and download it anywhere you want, or we could just put click download it, it'll go to your Steam Workshop content folder for Project Zomboid. So here, like again, add to server, we'll do the exact same button. I will add this into your server test. Aye. So the other cool thing, Steam. I can grab Steam Workshop collections. So I'm on Steam. This is my collection. For example, I've went on the workshop and looked at all the mods I want in my Project Zomboid server. So I will come back to here. And so now, this ID is telling Modix I want all these. So all them are showing up. And then I can click here. If you're not hosting on Modix and you're just using the tools what I provide, you can click clear, and then it makes you a full path of all the IDs. And then I can go back to here if I want to. Done. The mod manager is nowhere close to being ready. There's a lot more features I want to add to it. 100%. And then in Modix, I'll do these panels up in there. But the real one is here, the mod manager. I really want to go get this looking amazing, make it something different. Yeah, there's a few things I still need to add and do, but she's looking good. Thanks for watching anyway. I'll post a link on Discord to my GitHub once the next this is available for release. I still need to do a couple of things obviously, but yeah.